So I saw a lot of you today, you did your common attributes of polygons. And just to review that, you should have written down four sides, opposite sides, equal right angles, such as like a square or a rectangle. Some of the polygons have four sides, and we have quadrilaterals, we have parallelograms, rectangles, trapezoids, and squares. Today what we're going to be doing is we are going to be building a hierarchy, much like we did with the triangles and with the quadrilaterals. Except for this time, we are going to use polygons. So what I'd like for you to do is to build a hierarchy of polygons. You can do that either on a scrap piece of paper or on one of your boards, and we'll go from there. Again, today we are going to be creating a hierarchy, and you're going to be using the polygon cards. And what I want you to do is to use these cards to create a hierarchy, but we're not going to glue the cards to the page. Instead, what we're going to do is we're going to draw the polygons on a hierarchy. And I want you to record your own solutions. But I want you to think about all of the polygons or those that are in a subcategory and ask yourself questions like, what do you notice about these polygons? What properties do some, but not all of the polygons have? Do you see another property that some, but do not all have? So make sure that you write a complete and clear description for each of the subcategories. And again, you can look at if you brought it home, your student reference book, page 22, and ask yourself, do you think that most of the class would create the same hierarchy? Why or why not? And when we're done with this, we'll review this for tomorrow. But again, start with a broad category and then narrow things down. So start with the big units and whittle it down. So some may be in all the categories and then some may be whittled down to the very bottom.